Just a
Can you
minute.
see me?
Everyone can see, sir. Akshay sir is yes. Sir, welcome back. Nice to see you all, sir. Welcome to Sonali's.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am, for having me.
We have a great honor, sir, that you are our dance teacher in this summer camp. All kids are eagerly waiting. Actually, we are half an hour delayed due to that inauguration ceremony.
No,
Kids,
okay.
really? Okay, you have to rock now with Akshay, sir. Sir, the session is yours.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me. Thank you for giving me spotlight. So, hey, everyone. Hello there. Yes. How are you, everyone? I can see you all again. Some of you are new. Some of you are old or new. Everyone is fine. I hope everyone is good over there. Just show me a thumbs up like this. Yes. Are you there? Very nice. So, if you don't know me, my name is Akshay sir, and I am your dance instructor for this summer camp. Okay, let me tell you one basic thing. When we are dancing, I want you to always smile. I want you to always smile. Yeah, that's really costless. उसके लिए पैसे नहीं लगते. स्माइल करने के लिए पैसे नहीं लगते हैं. ठीक है, तो कर सकते हो खुल के, एकदम खुल के स्माइल कर सकते हो. ओके, चलो, let's start. Get up everyone. Firstly, खड़े हो जाओ सारे. Stretch your arms, stretch your legs. You had a very nice session, listening to the stories, okay, listening to the speech, guest lectures and everything. Now let's fall back. Let's do some stretch outs. Yes, come on, stretch your legs and arms. Come on, everyone. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Okay. Now, before we start, I would just like to tell you something which I was just remembering from last 1 week. हमने जो last year camp किया था, okay, and I was just going through that videos. मैंने वो videos देखे बहुत सारे YouTube पे जो थे. Thanks to Sonali ma'am, as she has been putting all that videos on Facebook and YouTube.
Yes,
तो मैं देख रहा था कि पिछले साल हमने क्या किया था, और उसके बाद this new year we have got opportunity. कोरोना के वजह से, ठीक है, बट इट्स लाइफ. ठीक है, हमें पता है हमें 3 चीजें करनी है. हाथ धोने हैं, राइट, वॉश योर हैंड्स ऑल द टाइम. हम बाहर जब भी बाहर जाएंगे, नॉट नेसेसरी, इफ नॉट नेसेसरी डोंट गो आउट, जस्ट बी एट होम, वॉच मूवीज, रीड बुक्स, डांस, कीप डांसिंग, play guitar, play chess, everything whatever you have. Okay, and the third thing is we will not be sad like this. Not sad. Okay, we will have 100% energy together. All right, chalo, let's see. Now, first 2 rules. Show me your right hand, show me your left hand, everyone. Show me your left hand. So this is your left hand. Okay, I am your mirror. मैं आपका आईना हूँ. I am your mirror. Show me your left hand. Show me your left hand. That's right, that's right. Show me your right hand. Show me your right hand. Great. Now, can we have a clap? Say 1, say 2, say 3. Good. So this is your, ये क्या है आपका left hand, and this is your right hand. So let's begin. Let's start with the warm up. All right, let's go. Everyone ready? Sure, let's go. Ready? Come on, let's go and start.
Avdut Padare. You have to dance Avdut Padare.
Breathe in, relax. Breathe in, relax. All right. So this was a warm up. What it was? This was a warm up, a stretch out. You enjoyed? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. Did you? Yes. That's the spirit. All right. So now, moving on to the next thing. Today, we are going to learn freestyle. What? Freestyle. All right. Many of you must have heard about this word. If you have not, let me tell you what is freestyle. Freestyle is a dance form of mixture. Okay. Now you can do in hip hop, you can do Bollywood, you can do Tollywood, you can do any dance form combiningly together is called a freestyle. समझ में आया? दो तीन डांस फॉर्म्स को आप जब मिला के डांस करोगे तो उसे कहते हैं फ्री स्टाइल. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Freestyle. What do we say? Freestyle. Now we'll have some signals. Okay. This will be your signal. Okay. Now say everyone. Okay. Show me okay. 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 Then show me signal. Ready? Are you ready? This is ready. Ready? Okay. You're ready. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready? Okay. Good. That's the spirit. All right. Smiley faces. Let not that smile come down. All right. Now first we'll listen to the song. Everyone will listen to the song. हम पहले song सुनेंगे और उसके बाद में आपको डांस सिखाऊंगा. All right, ready? चलो, listen to the song. Listen to the song. Listen to the song.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का.
All right, so this was the song from movie Lakshmi. All right. So we are going to do a freestyle on this. Okay. Okay. Now, very firstly, I'll show you some foot movements. Okay. Now this is called feet together. Now this is called feet together. Now jump everyone apart like this. Jump. Now this is called scatter. What? Scatter. All right. समझ में आपको? इसे कहते हैं हम feet together. इसे कहते हैं हम scatter. Okay. Feet together. Scatter. Feet together. Scatter. Feet together and scatter. Did you got this one? समझ में आया सबको? Okay. Okay. How is okay? How is okay? This is okay. This is okay. All right, chalo. Let's do this. Now let's start with the stop. Now scatter position. Now your hand say one. Say one. Right hand say one. Then two. Then three. And four. We'll take it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clear? 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 All right. Let's do this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there 4. From there 4, you go 5, 6, 7 and 7 and 8. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay? Okay. Great. Come on, let's do this. Ready? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's perfect. Very good. One more time. Ready? Together. Ready? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that clear? Is that clear? Chalo. Let's do it. Let's do it with music. Let's do it on music. Ready? Let's go. Ready? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल.
Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Now next step from here. This was the last marking. We have already last marking T. Now from there, say clap, 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 down, go down like this, and up. Perfect. Then again say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. दो बार करना है. कितने बार करना है हमें ये? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Come on, show me some energy. Come on. Come on, boys and girls. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Go. Clap, clap, down and up. Clap, clap, down and up. Is that clear? Is that clear? Perfect. Ready? Let's do it again from here, from top. Starting से करते हैं from top. This is from top. करो ऐसे. Show me. This is from top. Ready? Let's do this. Ready? 5 and 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Did you got this one? Did you got this one? समझ में आया? Great. Ready? Again. And 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. Now this is your last marking. Now from there, keep your right hand. Keep your right hand. Show me your right hand, everyone. Right hand दिखाओ. Right hand. सबने right hand दिखाओ. Now keep it on your head. Now keep it on your head. Now strike it. Strike करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go change your hand, left hand on it. 5, 6, 7, 8. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? Let's do this. Ready? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hands. Hands. सीधे हाथ रखना है. Okay. समझ में आया? Very good. Let's do this. Let's do it from top. From top. Ready? Let's do this. Come on. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got this? You got this? Ready? Ready? Let's do this on music. Come on, get ready. And start. Ready? Go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो काल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो
Great. Very good. So, इसके बाद, after that, when you stretch your hands straight, now move from there, go to your right side, say 1, then say 2, then 3, and 4. You got this one? Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, hands, 5, then 6, then 7, and 8. Right. Very good, very good, very good. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's perfect. That's really nice. That's
Aryan,
really
on
nice.
your camera. Aryan Unnarkar.
One more time, one more time, one more time. Ready? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. There you go. समझ में आया यहाँ तक? Good. चलो. Now let's do it on music. Everyone ready? Let's
Everyone,
go.
please on
Ready?
your camera so that we can check how you're doing. Please on your camera.
Ready? Ready, everyone? Let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. Come on, let's
Yes,
go. 1, 2, 3, start. 5, 6, 7, go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका
Again, now you will do it and I'll watch. Now you will do it and I'll watch. Come on, ready? Get up fast. Ready? Now you're doing and I'm watching.
Everyone on the camera, please. Everyone on your cameras.
Ready? And start. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु
All right, maximum are doing very good, very good, very good. So, अभी हमें क्या करना है? Last marking हमारी क्या है? This is our last marking. This is our last marking. Okay. Now from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your left hand up. Now shake it like this. Shake it. Now shake it. Yeah. Right. Now go through your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. Like that. आपको आपकी बॉडी भी लेके जानी है. You have to take your body also. This is a flow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that clear? समझ में आया? One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now यहाँ पे हमको जो expression देना है, that is anger. What? Aggressive. Anger. Show me anger. How angry you can be? Show me anger. Anger. Show me how much you can be angry. Yes. Very good, Mayank. Very good, Mayank. Very good. Keep up that anger. Keep up that expression. Now don't show me your teeth. Anger. Gussa. Yes. Very good. Now let's do this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. समझ में आया? Did you got this? Perfect. Although, let's go. Let's take it from top. From top. That's the spirit. Come on, let's go on music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, अकाल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, अकाल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, अकाल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का. अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, अकाल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का.
Pradeep already started dancing. Bum bole bum 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 bole bum bum. Okay, that's right. Really nice. Now, next step. You need to see my footwork very carefully. Okay, let me take the camera. Now, can you see my footwork? Okay, now let's tap everyone. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this. Just tap your body. Just tap your foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got this one? Ready? One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now then bend 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from there, take a circle from your left side. Take a circle from your left 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you got this one? Did you got this one? Ready? One more time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start. Scatter. All right. So that was your footwork. That was your footwork. Now upper body. Keep your hands straight. Straight and strong. Straight and strong. Yeah, that's the spirit. Boys and girls, come on. Ready? So from there, now take it to your left side, like slightly. Now you have to tap with your hands and your legs together. Ready? How? Watch me first. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Wait. Left side. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's perfect. You got? Right? समझ में आया यहाँ तक आपको? Show me a thumbs up. Great. So यहाँ से फिर से एक बार करेंगे. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now throw your hand outside. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now join your hands over your head. Join your hands like this over your head. Now jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Perfect. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? Great. Let's make it more perfect. Ready? Everyone? Wait together. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Clear? One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's perfect. You have got the hook line. Okay. Now this step, ये जो step है वो आपको 2 बार करनी है. कितने बार करनी है? 2 times. Ready? समझ में आया? Now let's take it from top. With me. Okay, everyone, come on. Let's follow me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे, भोले हरि के जो कष्ट तुम्हारे, भोले के नाम पे चलती है दुनिया।
Now this sign says again. This sign says again. So from top. Ready? One more time. Go for it. 5, 6, 7, and go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे, भोले हरि के जो कष्ट तुम्हारे, भोले के नाम पे।
Okay, now another sign. Now this sign is a break. This sign says a break of 2 minutes, in which what you have to do is you have to go take little water, drink water. Okay, ज़्यादा नहीं पीना है, थोड़ा सा ही पानी पीना है, and come back. Okay, take a break of 2 minutes. I'll see you in 2 minutes. Drink water and come back. थोड़ा सा ही पानी पीना है, otherwise your tummy will pain. थोड़ा सा ही पानी पीना है. Okay, go for it. Take it from top. Ready? Let's go. Start. Attitude. Come on. Anger. Go.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे, भोले हरि के जो कष्ट तुम्हारे, भोले के नाम पे चलती है दुनिया, पार लगेगा भोले के सहारे।
Again. One.
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे, भोले हरेंगे जो कष्ट तुम्हारे, भोले के नाम पे चलती है दुनिया, पार लगेगा भोले के सहारे। भोले के नाम के दीवाने हुए हम, फिर भूल गए हम तो सारे जिंदगी के गम। विजय देंगे भोले दर्शन साक्षात सामने, जैसे हनुमान जी को दिए श्री राम ने। भोले की भक्ति में मिल के सारे आज बोले, हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले, बम बोले, बम बोले।
All right then. So this was the dance session for today. I hope everyone must have liked this. Yes, show me a thumbs up. Yes or no? Just show me yes if you liked it. Yes or no, like that. Yes, right. Okay, I can see that everyone is really happy doing this dance, and we will be continuing tomorrow. We'll be doing this hook line step. ये हम कल भी करेंगे अच्छे से, ठीक है? मिलके हम सारे मजा आया? Show me some smile. Yes. In dance, you can keep anger like this or like this. Okay, whatever the expression is. But when we are off dance, you can relax. Just breathe in and breathe out and keep smiling. Okay, like that. Keep smiling. Show me like this. Smile. That's it. All right. Okay, then that was my time for you. Sonali ma'am, over to you. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. Wonderful dance session, sir.